Good morning, students, and welcome to your online class. So, today we'll be starting a new chapter, Emerging Trends with Artificial Intelligence. Emerging trends, the trends which is emerging nowadays. So, which trend is emerging? The technology which we are using nowadays for doing each and every work, which makes our work very easy. The rapid growth of technology is not at all surprising. However, we are surprised to know the rate in which it is growing each and every day. For example, you can listen to your music, you can play with your video games, you can listen to the news. You don't have to move from one place to another to fulfill your requirements with the help of these technologies. So, these technologies have eased our work.
Artificial intelligence. What does this term mean? You must have heard about this term very frequently. It actually refers to the ability of a particular machine or a computer program to think and learn. Or, in a very simple language, you can understand like this, that AI or artificial intelligence revolves around some of the technologies that help us to build the machine which can think, act, and learn like humans. You can take an example of robot as well. So technologies which are helping us to create the machines, to develop the machines so that they work like humans, that refers to artificial intelligence. So an AI based program and technology should actually bring out these things. Firstly, it should contain or work like a human thought process and behavior. So what does this mean? It means learning from mistake like we human do. Catching up the new ideas. Wherever we see the new ideas, we should have the ability to catch the new ideas, learn the new things from the new exposure or past experiences. So past experiences means if you have done any kind of mistake, so you learn from your past experience. You don't repeat the mistake. So this is the behavior of human. So an artificial intelligence machine should be developed in such a way that it should follow human thought process and behavior. This is also called as heuristic in nature, which means that you learn from your past mistakes, or whatever you have done before, if it is not up to the mark, you don't repeat it. Now the second one is that act like a human. So an AI program should act like a human, like means it should be very intelligent and ethical. It should have the ability to take right decisions in ethical ways. Ethical ways means following the rules and regulations like we human do. For example, if we have to take a leave from the school or college, so you follow the rules and regulation. You do it in an ethical way by filling up the application form, leave application form, get it signed by the authority, and then you take a leave. So that is what we follow in our daily life. So an AI based machine or program should also be made like that. A modern AI machines should be designed like that it should work with minimum human intervention. It means it should not require much intervention or much interruption by the human. It should be designed in such a way that it can take the decision in their own ways depending upon the user instruction. The second is that it should create and update the knowledge base, means it should keep on updating and giving messages to you whenever it is required. For example, that you are playing game, so that if it that is a program which is made, it gives it doesn't need your instruction for many of the things, and it will keep you updating with a knowledge base. It means it will keep you prompting about the messages which is required time to time while playing online games or any other games. The third is that the AI machine should also have heuristic abilities, which means it should have the capability to learn from its past mistake and decisions and outcomes. For example, that if it has taken any decision or made any mistake before, so it should not be repeated in future. Alright, so these are the points which should be kept in mind while developing a machine and AI machines, or the machines which are developed by using this technology, which is AI. The most famous example of AI today is the social humanoid robot Sophia, who has been awarded as the citizenship of Saudi Arabia. This robot Sophia is actually a social humanoid robot which is developed by Hong Kong based company Hanson Robotics. Now, it is a robot which is created by former Disney Imagineer David Hanson, and this is the best robot which was built basically to mimic the social behaviors and inspire feelings of love and compassion in humans. Some other common examples of AI today are the Alexa. You must have heard about Amazon Alexa name. It is kind of a personal assistant of human which is now being used by mostly thousands of people around the globe for fulfilling their requirements. They give the instruction to Alexa and it follows. The second is the Google Nest. It is also one of the smart home devices which follows your instruction and work like your personal assistant. The third can be said to be as a self-driving cars. This is likely produced by Tesla company. And the fourth one is the Alien Isolation. So this is one of the online games which is being developed, and it is the common example of AI which is developed with the help of the machine which is capable of working on its own. Now students, as we have today learned about the artificial intelligence and how those machines use this technology, that the machines which should be able to perform all the actions by their own are said to be as artificial intelligence. You can see here some examples, and it has been predicted that in the coming 5 to 10 years the AI will grow tremendously. The AI based machines would be able to perform all the tasks of human, like translating the languages from any particular language to the other one, writing school essays and driving the trucks. However, the complicated tasks such as that should be able to operate or in place of a surgeon or a doctor, or coming out to write some emotional books, will take more time by the machines to learn all these tasks. However, we are living in an era of technology where we are using this AI platform which has the ability to develop such kind of machines which can work like a human robot, and that makes our work easier. That's all for today students. Go through the video very properly. If you have any problem, you can get back to me. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.